everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with my results for the rice water challenge, if you will. I've been using rice water for exactly a month. I think it's exactly a month today. And I have to be honest and say that I love it. And I'm kind of shocked about that because, I mean, I expected it to be good because everyone was saying that it was good, but I didn't really expect to see results that I would call growth, but I think I am seeing growth. I mentioned in my last video that I work with children, and the other week, I think it was last week, one of my kids literally said, "Miss Delise, your hair is growing," and he is 4. And so I was just like, I hope so. But I felt like I was seeing some length. You can go and compare. I'll link the original video to this video so that you can see it. But I feel like I am retaining length, which is kind of shocking because I know that my hair grows. We all know that our hair grows, but the fact that my hair is dyed like this really helps you to kind of see just exactly how much it is growing. Crazy. Now, don't be fooled. I did have some of this darkness before, but I had a lot less. So anyway, like I said, go look at it. But I feel like it helps. And what I would say about it is that my hair feels fortified. You know how when you use a really strong protein treatment or something like that, sometimes your hair can feel hard. My hair does not feel hard. It feels supported. And it definitely feels stronger, but not hard and brittle like it could have felt. So I'm really happy about that. Things I don't like. I don't like the fact that I'm trying to use the same batch twice, so then I have to keep it cool, and so then it closes my cuticles, so then I have to warm it up. The last time I did it, what I did is I took the bottle from my fridge and I dropped it in the shower with me while I was washing my hair. And I feel like that warmed it up just enough to get it warm when it went on my hair so that it kind of helped to open up the cuticles because I don't really like to use heat on my hair. So that's what I did. I do own a steamer. I'm probably going to use the steamer next time, but the thing is, the second that the air hits my hair, I have low porosity hair, my pores are going to close. And so I wanted to find something that would just help a little bit more, and I felt like that was pretty effective. I'll let you know down the road if I think, you know, using steam is even more effective, and time wise if I feel like it makes a big enough difference because that's messier and things like that. So yeah, this last time I did it, I literally was in the shower with my bottle and I just sprayed through all of my hair, did the exact same method I showed you before where I kept a shower cap on it for a while and then I let it dry overnight and I rinsed it out the next morning, and I have been adoring this treatment. I feel like my hair is shinier. Yeah, I honestly don't have any complaints, and let me make sure this is true. I think I've only used one other deep conditioner since that time, which is crazy. I typically will use three in a week, probably 3. Something with an oil, something by Shea Moisture, and then something else random. But I will usually use 3. So the fact that I've only used rice water basically since the last time you saw me and I'm getting these results is shocking. So yeah, guys, I hope that this kind of just informs you, I guess, lets you know what I really think. I have no agenda here. There's no reason for me to say that I think it does or doesn't work. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you've tried rice water or if you've been trying it for a couple weeks and I asked you to let me know how it was going, please comment on this video. I really want to know how it's going for you. I'm going to keep doing this until I guess I get sick of it. But my goal, my hair goal has always been the same, and I want my hair to be like here, like here down my back, you know, and excuse me, and for the longest I just thought, okay, I know I can do this, but it's gonna take me forever. But now I'm like, oh, maybe I really can do this. Because here's the deal, for so long my hair never really looked like it was past my shoulders, and I would definitely say that it's getting past my shoulders. This is totally dry hair. Oh my gosh, we're like from here ish to here. Oh yeah, one more thing, undergrowth. So I'm gonna turn and let you see the back. My undergrowth, I think it's helping my undergrowth. I will say, here's what it kind of looks like. It's so hard to reach. You know the struggle. Okay, let's That's sort of what it looks like. But what I would say about it is that it feels better. You know, I always have my hair in a bun, right? When I put my hair up in a bun, like I would say 95, 98% of that undergrowth makes it all the way up to the top of my head. It did not do that before. I don't know if it's just smoothing it out and it's helping it to stick together, or if it really is long enough, but I haven't had half as many little pieces hanging out in the back end. And I make videos all the time. You can go watch my videos. I'm trying to think if some of them are current. Watch the next couple videos that are coming out and you'll see that it's going up there. It's going up. I mean, I still have some flyaways, and then like I've had to start parting my hair further toward the middle because it just wasn't even laying right. Like it was so lopsided looking. I think my hair is growing. I mean, I could go on and on forever, but the honest truth is I think it's growing. My feelings are hurt because it's time for a trim. Like it's past time for a trim. So I'm really not sure how much of this I'm gonna be able to keep, but y'all, results. So anyway, like I said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you again next week. Same day, same time, same everything. And it really does mean a lot to me. Those of you who have subscribed in the past couple days, it means so much to me, and I'm really thankful for that. So thank you. Welcome to the family. Bye. Oh, there is a fly. Oh, that's gonna kill me. It's like a rattle.